Hey, hello, hi everyone. My name is Mzeda Rotonda, the YouTube guy, your body, your lecture. Hey, my 2024 Shane order, it's back. It's here. It's full of gadgets, electronics, devices that you will love a lot, the jewelries, everything. On how I did it. Oh man, look at this. This is what we call it. Oh, let me open it. Visual reality, VR googles. Yeah, it's VR. This one is called VR shein. So this is what I normally use on my extra classes, my learners. I make sure that they use this device. It's the best. Let me put it on so you can see. Yeah. Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, yeah. Visual reality. This device here, guys, is the best. Trust me. Believe me. This device here is the best. You put your phone here and you experience the visual realities as if you are there when you are not there. It's the best, guys. Look at what I got here. What do they call it? What card reader. So this one, it plugs the USB, the memory card, the SD card, and then you connect to phone, and then it read all those three devices at the same time on your phone. This one, we call it HDMI converter. So these days laptop, if you check, they are no longer coming with those HDMI ports like the old one, those ones that are bigger. These days laptop, they are having small HDMI ports. And honestly speaking, guys, this on Shein, it's less than 20 rand. But if you go to the retail shops, and don't say I said it, ne? If you go to the retail shops on the towns, it's more than 150. Yo, Shane is the best, guys. Mm, this one I got it for my wife to use in the kitchen. I love baking, guys, so I also got this for myself because I love baking, and it's for measuring. Oh yeah, the necklace, two-piece, one for my wife, one for me. So yeah. Shane. It does support the relationship, I guess. Now this one is the charging head, female and also male for um C type and also the normal type. So it has a space on the back there. You can connect this one to this one, and if it's your device uses the bigger size or the smaller size. Woo, Shane. Jewelry things. I also ordered the jewelry. Let me know, guys, if the Shane jewelries last long or they rust, but I think they do last long. Oh, I just ordered the one that lasts long before these ones. Yeah, jewelries. Now, guys, this gadget here is the best. If you connect this side to your laptop and then this side you connect 3 USB, you can copy information data to 3 USB at the same time, and you can also charge 3 devices at the same time. Whew, shame. Oh, what we got here? When I was ordering it, I wasn't sure, guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. It's the earring, the necklace, and the leg lace at the same time. Three. Wow, Shane. For the baking, I won't say much about this one. It's when I do the scones, when I put the egg on the top so that it can, you know what I mean. Yeah. The much for the wifey. You know, when you're ordering on Shein, more things must be for the wifey and not for you, otherwise you'll be in trouble. So this season I'll be doing the cupcakes. So I also placed the order for, yeah, for the cupcakes. We're gonna do the muffins, so we'll be using this one coloring, and also this one without the different colors with one colors. Okay. The t-shirt, I'll do the review of the t-shirt. I'll show you how nice it is on me. Trust me, Shane is the best. It always makes nice clothes on me. On me. I don't know when it goes to others, but whenever I put on the Shane cloth, they're the best on me. That it is polite. I'll do the review later and show you. My order is not complete. Let me see. Oh, another t-shirt. I'll put it on for you. You'll see. Oh, the best for my kid. Let's see what's inside here. Oh yeah, this is the best also. This is the best also. Ta-da! Yeah. Let's open it. Let's open it and see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside, guys. Let's see. Okay, this is it, guys. This is the video game. It comes with charger as well. Okay, you can charge it this side. You can plug also the headset if you are making noise. So let me switch it on, guys. Yeah, taking you back. Ta-da, it's on. We play the games here. The Nintendo, Street Fighter. When you switch it on, it says English, or you choose another language. So we go with English. Oh, there we go. How many games does it have? On the first page, it's having 8. Scrolling down, 16. Scrolling down, 24, 32. Yo guys, this device comes with a lot of game. 56, 64. Guys, the number is going high and high and high. I'm not sure if you are seeing, but the games that are inside here, oh Jesus, I'll just show you once. 100. Guys, how many games are there inside this? No, I'm giving up. The number is still going, and already we have exceeded 170, 18. No, guys, I'm not sure if you are seeing. The number is still going and going and going of the games that are inside here. Imagine, already on 216 and we're still going. So, guys, Shane is the best, guys. Thank you for watching my Shane order of 2024 review. I'll show you the next one that comes, and again I'll also do the video showing you guys how I have designed my house using Shane LED lights. These LED lights, they are the best, guys. I will do the design and I will show you. I've been doing it for long, and it's always beautiful, guys. So you can order with Shane. I trust me, Shane is the best. God bless you.